Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can give an animation to the button. So here is a button. I have opened the editor and as you can see I have selected a button. So if you want to give animation to a button and now we are giving animation. So after clicking a button or selecting a button, you can see the fourth option is animation. You can click in on the animation and as you can see if you even put cursor on any of the animation, it shows the preview at itself here. So you can select any animation here. I will show you the float or the fading. As you can see, you can also customize it. You can see you can clear here as well, or you can give a duration. It is late now. As you can see, this is a delay by 8 seconds. So let's say we put it to 4 and you can also select whether if you want to animate it only for the first time or always. So if you enable it, you can only see after your site is live and it will only animate at the first time only, not as much as you view the page or same section many times. If you disable it, you can see it every time you open the page or a site. Thanks. I hope you understood the video.